Come to Mother Simaruba's temple. Simaruba is a tree with many virtues in it, but we are concentrating only on the medicinal aspect of it now. The plant's name is Simaruba. We call it as Mother Simaruba because only mothers can do such sort of wonders in this world. It has got very good ability. It is antiviral, antibacterial, antiprotozoal, antifungal and anti-helminthic, that is against the worms. It is actually a broad spectrum antibiotic with absolutely no bad side effects. Because of that one, your immunity level is also going to be boosted. Once the immunity is boosted, you will be protected against so many diseases including cancer. That's why what we suggest is from the age of 1 itself everybody can start taking this one. About that one I will tell you later. What are the diseases it can take care of? What are the diseases that can be treated? Cancer, any type including blood cancer. Ulcers and bleeding in the alimentary system, that is gastrointestinal tract that we call it. Gastritis caused by harmful microorganisms. Hyperacidity, dyspepsia, that means lack of appetite. Amoebiasis, diarrhea, ulcerative colitis, fever, Helicobacter pylori. For ulcerative colitis and Helicobacter pylori, there is no good medicine available at present. But all our patients are doing well. Hemorrhage, anemia, rheumatoid arthritis. For rheumatoid arthritis also, only steroids are given. But here, this is going to be quite good. Then gynecological disorders such as irregular periods, painful periods, cramps during periods, excess bleeding, white discharge, menopause problems, cysts in the ovary, fibroids in the uterus and urinary tract infection. All these are taken care of. How this has to be consumed? We generally give the powder prepared from the leaves and then that stick. It is just like curry leaf with that stick and then leaves attached on either side. Both of them we dry them in sunlight, that too morning sunlight only up to 11 o'clock. Powder in the mixie and use it. You can use it at the home level, you can do like that. When it is in the large scale, we feed it to the big machine, that's all. Grinder will be given. We will give you certain amount of water, certain amount of powder to be used. Night you take in a steel vessel the water which we prescribe, how much quantity, keep it for heating. Once it starts boiling, put that much of powder which we prescribe and boil for only 1 minute. Cover it and then leave it overnight. Next morning, after brushing the teeth, empty stomach, filter it. 50 ml, gargle and drink, oral gargling. Minimum 1 minute, you can keep for longer time. It improves the oral hygiene and then drink. The remaining one, out of that one, 50 ml you can take it out. Keep it in the steamer. 60 times morning, 60 times evening, steam breathing, inhaling, deep inhaling to the maximum capacity of the lungs and then slowly release it, just like you do in pranayama. No, we don't have the steamer. In villages it becomes difficult. For them, directly, just as you do in case of Vikshoparam, direct steam breathing has to be done. 60 times morning, 60 times evening. And then drink that decoction. In the morning, after filtering that residual powder, that gasi, chatta that is left behind, to that one again you are going to put the same quantity of water, boil for 1 minute and then leave it whole day. In the evening, 1 hour or half an hour before dinner, repeat the whole process. Still if the powder is remaining, put in dal, sabji, then rice and then consume it, you don't waste it. Why like that? 1 ml powder is having 1,000 rupees worth medicine. Now Lakshmi Madam is going to consume 20 ml powder per day. That means 20,000 rupees worth medicine she is consuming. God has given that much, and then Mother Simarabha has given this one, sacrificing her body. Let us give respect to God, give respect to Mother Simarabha, and use it wisely. Their blessings will cure our disease. Then we suggest this steamer therapy. I told you, in the steamer you are going to put 20 to 50 ml of this decoction, deep steam breathing, 60 times morning, 60 times evening. Nasal passage, pharynx, larynx, bronchi, bronchioles, both the lungs, liver, pancreas, gallbladder, spleen, brain, all these get activated. Cancer in any of these organs will have the direct impact, and the rate of recovery will be fast. Then hot water bag therapy. Ordinary bag with, you will have to fill it with hot water. Wherever the pains are, for example breast, there will be the lump. 5 minutes in the morning, 5 minutes in the evening. If it is there in one of the breasts, don't neglect the other one. There is a very possibility of this one going to the other one also. Then in the middle also you do it, because here also lymph nodes will appear. Then axils there also. Liver on the right side of the abdomen, stomach left side, then lower abdomen in case of ladies has to be done, because so many problems will be there. And wherever the pains are there, that is back pain, wherever it is there, you please 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes evening, hot water bag therapy. They call it as fomentation. Then perform breathing exercises in sunlight around 9 a.m. In the sunlight only you have to do. 3 minutes continuously you do, give a gap, again 3 minutes, give a gap, again 3 minutes. Then for everyone in the family, to improve the oral and dental health, after dinner, keep about 20 to 25 ml of this decoction in your mouth. Go on gargling for 30 minutes or more, and drink before going to sleep. You may say, so much of time, not even 1 minute you are wasting for that. After dinner, there will be a lot of work for you people to do. No, nothing is there. At least you will be seeing the TV. Then also it will be there in your mouth. Go on gargling and then drink. What benefits you are going to get? If your teeth are shaking, within 4 days they become strong. Mouth giving out bad smell because of microbial infection, within 4 days improvement is seen. Toothache, gum pain, don't wait till the night. When you get that one, immediately you put this decoction in your mouth. Gargle for 30 minutes or more and drink. You will notice how the pain is getting reduced instantaneously. Repeat the exercise 3 times. By the end of the day, no pain at all. Your teeth will have longer life. If they have become black because of teeth decay, every day 30 minutes gargling and drinking. In about 6 months' time, that blackness disappears, original color comes back, no further decay. Any type of ulcer in the mouth, temporary or permanent, they call them as acute and chronic, unhealing ulcer. They will disappear. If unhealing ulcer is there, mouth cancer is there. When that disappears, mouth cancer is cured. Whatever the changes you observe in the mouth, similar changes will be taking place in all the other parts of the body when you consume this decoction. And to prevent ailments like cancer, anybody can start taking this one as a course for 30 days continuously. Repeat it once in 6 months. If it is done like that, it gives resistance against all viral, bacterial, protozoal, fungal and worm diseases, and your immunity level is so high that it is lifetime insurance against any type of cancer. Whenever we undergo chemotherapy or any strong antibiotics, the body heat goes up, mouth ulcers will appear. and then you feel miserable, you can't eat or drink anything. To cool down the body system, we suggest the usage of lavanja or vetiver root, that is also called husk grass root. 1 centimeter long, 18 pieces, 200 ml of water, boil for 1 minute, cool, filter and drink, or warm, filter and drink. Throw away those root pieces. That will cool down the body system. Any time of the day you can make it. That is only to cool the body system. Anybody can take it, just like Simarupa. Next, if oral cancer is there, specifically 100 ml extra you will be preparing. After breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, keep in your mouth for 30 minutes or more. Even throughout the day, if you want, you can keep. Entire oral cancer is going to be taken care of. Another thing for all of you, whether it is a gent or a lady, during summer, along the thigh joints and the skin between genital and then the anus, lot of sweating will be there. Because of that one, itching sensation will be there. That is mainly because of the infection. To prevent that one, after bath, you apply Dermicool or Nycil powder, and also before going to bed, you apply Dermicool and Nycil powder. And before going for motion, externally apply coconut oil to the anal portion. Smooth flow will be there. And even fissures, if they are there, they will disappear. Then you may say, all this is okay, but how to get all this? We request everyone to grow the tree. One tree means health insurance for one person. In the month of May, we give you the seeds. In one pot, you can put 3 to 4 seeds. It takes about 1 month for germination. In the next rainy season, not this rainy season, that means for 1 year you will be having that plant. Take good care of it. In the next rainy season, even if you break the pot, don't worry, you plant in the main field. It takes about 5 years for flowering. And once it starts flowering, take the leaves and then that stick from the same plant, dry them in morning sunlight, powder in the mixie. From the age of 1, everybody can start taking as per the chart given here, regularly, just like tea or coffee. If you do like that, you will get resistance against all viral, bacterial, protozoal, fungal, worm diseases, and all bigger diseases like cancer also you will get resistance. Since you are growing it and then using it yourself, this is an eco-friendly, economy-friendly and cash-free technology. Adopt this cash-free technology and create a cancer-free world. Each one of you is capable of doing it. Please do it. With Mother Simaruba's blessings to all of you, you must get very good health. Thank you very much.